Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to work with Calendly. First, you'll want to create your account and set up your basic profile. This includes defining your general availability, like your working days and hours. Crucially, connect your primary calendar, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, to ensure Calendly accurately reflects your real-time schedule and avoids double bookings. This foundational setup is key to efficient scheduling. Once your account is ready, focus on creating different event types. You can set specific durations, perhaps 15 minutes for quick chats or 45 minutes for detailed discussions. Remember to add buffer times, maybe 10 minutes, between events to prevent back-to-back scheduling. Also, customize questions for your invitees to gather necessary information upfront, making your meetings more productive. With your event types configured, it's time to share your booking link. You can send your personal Calendly link via email or messaging apps. For a more integrated experience, embed your scheduling page directly onto your website. Once bookings start coming in, easily manage all your scheduled events, including rescheduling or canceling, right from your Calendly dashboard. Calendly offers powerful advanced features to streamline your operations further. Explore team scheduling to coordinate availability across multiple team members, perfect for group meetings or round-robin assignments. Integrate Calendly with CRM systems or project management tools to automate workflows, saving you valuable time. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. They truly make a difference.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.